All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest.
This may sound routine, but don't be fooled. This is the calm before sentencing. Administrative delays, paperwork, names being called. This is the machinery of justice warming up. And once it starts moving, it doesn't slow down for anyone.
Gabriel Diaz, custody. Jennifer Chambers. Thank you. Esther De La Fuente. Thank you. Kilo Himiker, Raymond Haynes, Raymond Haynes, custody. Piers Tyler Pearson. Thank you. Gerald Harper, custody.
No, virtual book judge.
Gerald Harper. All right, sir, you need to remove your cap. Fabian Singh. Darren Daniel Villarreal.
He's present with counsel. Yeah, deferred.
Eddie Dacey. Eddie Lee Dacey. Adam Cruz, custody. Lisette Casillas. Thank you. Christopher Polito, custody. Marcos Romero. Edward Garcia. Napoleon Velasquez. Robert Aguilar, custody. Roger Mims. Fidencio Gonzalez. Michael Faz, custody. Frank Hasso, custody. Anijah Gifford. Should that be on the docket?
Judge, I think it's for an update on this.
All right, thank you. Francis Oliva. Where? Thank you. Timothy Rivas.
For your honor.
Irene Gonzalez.
Judge, she's on.
All right, thank you. Jerry Castillo.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, is there anyone who came in late or your name was not called? What is your name? I'm sorry, who? All right, are you the person who's on the docket? Or are you here in support of that person?
Yeah, Judge.
All right, thank you. Anyone else? Yes.
For Anthony Rodriguez.
No. So here's the thing, everybody. When I call the docket, it's people who have cases in this court. So it's state of Texas versus. So if you're not on the other side of the versus, you're here in support and you're not on the docket. So are you on the docket?
No, they just want to come.
Who told you to come?
I've been speaking with the lawyer, the attorney.
All right, so just wait for his attorney, all right? All right, anyone else? All right, everyone, we're gonna start jury.
And here we go. Sentencing is not about guilt anymore. That part is over. This phase is about how much damage the court believes was done and whether the defendant deserves mercy or maximum punishment.
Jury selection at 11:30, so please move with efficiency. The deputies are here. Once you requested your inmate, do not leave the courtroom because for security reasons, there's a limited number of inmates who are allowed in the courtroom at one time. You're not ready to approach the court if you have not conferred with the state and conferred with your client. If your client wishes to speak to the court in a language other than English, you'll need to request an interpreter. When you're ready to approach the clerk, let them know the reason for your needing to approach because we're going paperless. So they'll need to know, is it a plea? Are you thinking you may need a reset? Whatever the issue may be, let them know. If you are seeking probation for your client or if your client is on probation, please confer with Ms. Abrams. She is the court liaison here for probation. She's an integral part of this system. And I'm going to ask for her opinion whether you approach her or not. So that will cut down on time. Court reporter is to my left. Please do not talk behind her when we're on the record. You're nowhere on the record because I will have called the style of the case. To my left is our intern Paris. Make sure that you introduce yourself to her so she can love this profession. And Vashon, Megan, and the other people. What is this month? It is Black History Month. So You know what I decided to do? Because people always know certain people's names, right, for Black History Month, but they don't know everybody's name, right? So I decided I'm just going to start throwing names out there and people can do their own research. And one of them is Garrett A. Morgan. So great guy. And guess what? We wouldn't be here today safely if it wasn't.
This is a big moment that often gets overlooked. The PSI pre-sentence investigation report can make or break sentencing. No objections here means the defense is accepting the narrative the court is about to rely on. That's huge
for him. So you can look it up. All right, everyone, please confer. Oh, it was Sean. If there's another name you're thinking of that maybe I don't know, let me know.
Okay, I'll come up with.
I absolutely loved my history teacher in high school. They would deep dive, which I loved.
No, I mean, it's up to you. That is not right. Daisy? Esther de la Puente?
I would like it.
Oh, it's always a.
Yes.
On that,
You're all Harper?
Irene Gonzalez, I just sent you an email,
Okay.
and let me just give you this to read over,
All right. Thank you.
and then I'll be ready whenever you are on that one.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Judge, are you ready whenever you're ready, sir?
Just give me one moment.
Yes, ma'am. What's the? Yep. Yep. Big girl dragon.
Could I see the file on Irene Gonzalez, please?
Yes.
Hello.
Just leave them. Back to the cigar.
Okay.
Miss Irene Gonzalez, what were we doing with Miss Irene? So I don't have any feeling we're going to our moment.
This pause matters. What the defense is doing right now is shifting gears, away from facts and into human impact. This is where family, health, and dependence come into play. It's not about excuses, it's about reminding the judge that this sentence affects more than one person.
She is currently on probation.
Okay.
I'm just trying to see what is she on deferred adjudication? What type of probation she's on? Yes,
Page.
she's on page 7.
Yes, and I'll get it, I'll pull up for you right now.
All right, thank you.
And
And Ms. Abrams, have you conferred with Megan on that case?
On which page?
Gonzalez.
Irene,
Okay. Yes, it's Irene Gonzalez.
it's coming up.
All right, thank you. Yeah, it's always very interesting.
Judge, we talked about it.
Okay. And Vashon, Adriana is pulling it up, but is she on deferred? What type of probation is she on?
It's still gathering information.
Oh, no problem. Mine is moving very slow as well.
She's adjudicated judge and she lives in Tarrant County,
Mhm.
so we're supervising her out of a different county.
Okay. Do you know what her underlying is?
It says,
Oh, yeah, this I have.
it says 5.
Okay.
Yeah, I sent you on the email.
Mhm.
You should also have the court summary.
Okay. All right, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Judge, I have her status right now in jail, waiting the treatment bed. Is that what? No?
No, she's not there.
Okay. She's-
Oh, that needs to change.
Mhm.
Okay, we'll get that. from-
All right, thank you.
She went.
Just for.
All right, let's proceed. Let me.
Oh. I mean. Other than like, it's not like fellowship.
Miss Gonzalez? You need to start your video. And you need to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we're here because there was a recommendation of DDRF. So what is going on with any mental health? What type of treatment are you receiving?
I'm seeing my psychiatrist. I've gone to MHMR and I'm taking my medications as I'm supposed to.
Okay. And then I understand that you're unable to meet the requests of the court due to an accident. So I'm understanding of that.
This is the judge drawing a hard line. Past lessons, past prison time, none of it matters if the behavior repeats, especially when the victim is elderly. This is the moment where sympathy collides with accountability.
But there are other issues regarding any substance use. So how are you addressing those issues as well?
Well, I've been sober now going on 6 months. So I'm just staying on my medications and just staying at home.
Okay. And you're not in Bear County, correct?
No, ma'am.
And when is her expiration? Do we know?
4/10/2027.
And other than this, has she completed what was requested of her?
She has completed her parenting class. She's completed an outpatient program that was back in 2024.
Mhm.
The community service is still outstanding, and she's made $100 payment to probation.
Yeah.
So how are you supporting yourself financially?
Right now, my fiance is supporting me.
Okay. You said she completed parenting classes?
Yes,
And do you believe she'll be able to do community service hours with her injuries?
I do not judge.
All right, so we'll count the parenting classes. I do it for other people. So the parenting classes will satisfy her community service restitution hours.
Okay, Judge.
And have there been any field visits where you are?
Yes, ma'am.
And how often do they do field visits?
I think every 2 months.
All right, Ms. Abrams, see if
I
they
have
can-
I have a field visit coming up on I think it's the 16th or the 17th.
all right, Ms. Abrams, see if they can do a field visit once a month, just for 3 months.
Okay, Judge.
Just give us one moment, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Gonzalez, this is what the court is going to
Yes.
require because the request was for DDRF, and I know there are issues with you being able to comply with DDRF. One, because DDRF is not going to accept you in the physical condition that you're in. So this is what the court is going to require of you. The court is going to request that probation do field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Then they can continue with once every 2 months, because I'm assuming, and correct me if I'm wrong, are they using those field visits as your reporting?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
I report and then I have a field visit also.
all right. So let's see if we can do field visits once per month for 3 months, then they can go back to once every 2 months. I'm going to want sober support meetings 1 time per week, and there's going to be intensive outpatient treatment.
This is a strategic delay. Judges don't do this lightly. Taking the decision overnight means the court is weighing punishment versus potential. Tomorrow isn't just a date, it's the difference between hope and a decade behind bars.
Yes, ma'am.
And that will be in lieu of DDRF. Probation, is there
Yes,
anything
ma'am.
else?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else that you need to be successful?
No, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank
Can you
you.
just have her hold on?
Just wait. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, and probation is going to come in the breakout room and go over new conditions with you.
Yes, ma'am.